Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine. Fine,
Fine.
thank you.
Yes. So, good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine.
Fine. So, last class, what we have discussed, how to draw a circle. Very good. Yes. How
Yes,
to
ma'am.
draw a circle. Very good. And we have I have given you homework now, how to draw a circle for radius 3 centimeter and 5
Yes.
centimeter. I
Yes.
hope all of you have completed. Yes?
Yes.
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 Very good. Very good, children. Now, after that, I have children, when I will ask questions, you will unmute and say, okay. Before that, you have to keep muted because some children, you know, the disturbance. Yes? Okay. Then I have sent the notes of question number 13 and 14. What is the use of a hinge? What is the use of a hinge? Yes? Have you completed that? Who can say what is the use of a hinge in a compass? When you say, unmute and say, okay. Gurujit, unmute and say. What is the use of a hinge? Hinge?
So that when we
It is used to
send
tighten the compass. Yes, it is used to tighten the compass so that we can control the movements. Okay, so when we using compass, the hinge is helping to control the movements of the compass. Yes, and what's the use of a pencil holder?
helping to draw the
Pencil
circle.
holder,
Pencil hold.
pencil holder. It's hold the pencil.
Pencil.
Yes, it
Three.
hold the pencil. I think you have completed that.
Pencil.
Those children who have not completed, you have to complete after this period. Okay. Question number 14. What are the different types of instruments in the geometric box? Who can say that? Geometric box. Megha. Can you say what are the instruments inside the geometric box? We have ruler. We have protractor. Very good. Protractor. Compass.
And the voice
Yes.
is cracking.
Yes. Divider.
Divider.
Very good. Very good. Okay, children. Okay. So now mute your audio, all the children, so that there will not be any distractions for. And if any distraction means you cannot hear what we are discussing properly. So I hope all the children pay attention. I want all the children to be very attentive in the class. Yes. Then only we will understand what we are learning. So last class I have sent question number 13 and 14, the notes. What is the use of hinge and pencil holder? The hinge is used to tighten the compass so that we can control the movements of the compass, and we can control the movements of the compass and pencil holder. Then what are the instruments in the geometric box? Now we have discussed what are the parts of a circle. I want who is going to tell me what are the parts of a circle? Tell me the name. Yes. Okay, Devadat. Devadat.
Diameter.
We have learned diameter,
Chord.
chord,
Radius.
radius, and center. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, children. So today we have discussed already what is the diameter is the longest chord we can say, and diameter is the line segment joining 2 points on the circle. And what's a chord? Chord is also line segment, but diameter will pass through the center. Yes, but chord not always. Always chord is not passing through the center. Then we know what is the radius. Who can say what is the radius? Christo, can you say what is the radius? Radius is a line segment.
Radius is a line segment
Uh,
started from the center to the edge of
Center to the edge. Very good. Center to the edge. So from the middle of the circle, center to the edge is the radius. And what's the chord is a line segment passing through the, it is a joining two ends of the circle. And, okay. So today we are going to identify, children, today what we are going to do, identify these parts from a circle. No need of page. Now listen to me, okay? Afterwards I will tell you. Okay, Devdat? Okay, Devdat, Christo, all please stay mute. Your Megha, Catherine, everyone, all mute your audio. I will call one by one. So what we are going to do now, I will draw one circle. Then you are going to identify. You are going to tell me what are the chords from the picture, what is the diameter from the picture, what is the center and chord. Okay, ready? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I will draw and I will call one by one. Then only you are going to tell me the answer. Okay, children? I'm going to show you one. Okay. I will draw one circle over the board on the board, and you have to identify. Children, please, no need to do anything. Okay, Devdat, please stay patiently and listen to the teacher. Can you see the board, children?
Circle.
Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes, there is a circle. Now I will draw something. Now you have to pay attention. Don't say any answer now. I will call one by one. So I have drawn A, B, C, D, and we can see O and M. Now, Zahra, can you say the codes? Codes from the picture. Codes. Look at the picture.
A and
Yes.
B.
A and B. A is a point, B is also a point. If you say A and B, we cannot say like that. We can say AB. Okay? We can say AB because that is a line segment. Very good. A, B is a chord. Very good. Now, Zara, only AB is a chord. Check the picture again. Can you identify?
CD.
Yeah?
CD.
CD. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. CD. That is also diameter.
OM.
1 minute. 1 minute. I will ask one by one. Okay. Children, CD, you can see that is a diameter because it is passing through the center O, but it is the longest chord. So when you find out the chord, diameter is also a chord. So the chords are A, B and CD. Lionel, can you identify the sender from the picture? Sender.
Ma'am.
Yes. Sender.
O to D.
Sender.
O to D.
Which is the sender?
O.
Oh, very good. Sender is the point. Oh, here. Look at the here. O is the middle point. That is sender. Very good. Now, okay, children. So we have discussed chords. We have how many chords on the circle? Given circle, we have 2 chords. And which is the sender? O. O. Okay. Now, Ryan. Okay. Now we have a chord. We know which is the chord and center. Abel Joseph. Abel. Can you say the diameter from the picture? Given picture. Diameter. Look at the unmute and say unmute. Abel. No need to write now. Okay. Children, don't write anything now. Just listen on the board and identify. Try to find out the answers. Abel, okay. What's the diameter? Which is the diameter?
OM.
OM. The diameter is a line segment passing through the center and it touches two edges. Is OM touching two edges on the circle?
60.
I want answer from Abel, or I will ask one by one. Don't say the answer, okay? Nived, can you say which is the diameter? Diameter.
CD.
CD, very good, excellent. CD. See, look at the picture. It is the line segment passing through the center and touching 2 points on the circle, C and D. C is a point on the circle, D is another point on the circle, and it is a line segment joining, and it is passing through the center O. Very good, excellent. So, Jibichan, now chord is over, center is over, now diameter. Now, one more thing we have to find out. What's that?
Radius.
Radius, yes, radius. But you know the plural of radius is radii. Now, Jibichan, can you identify the radii from the pictures? Picture. Radii. Yes? Look at the picture, look at the circle carefully and find out the radius. You know what's the radius? Is the line segment joining center and one edge. So look at the picture and tell me. OD, very good. OD. Is that only OD? Only OD or you can identify OC, very good. OC, yes. Now Jibichan, wait, now I want to ask Ashwin. Jibichan has said two radii, O, D and OC. Can you find out more radii?
Am I?
Yes, Ashwin. Yes. O. Starting from the center. Yes. O. Yes. O. Akhil. O. D is finished. P is over. OM. Very good. OM. We have one more line that is joining. Means center and the one point. OM. Now we have another O, D and O. How many, Muhammad Akil, how many radii you can identify from the given circle? How many? OC, OD, OM. How many? Number, how many? Three. Very good. 3. Yes? Is that clear, Catherine? Catherine, can you read the codes? Unmute and read. Yes. Yes, Catherine.
A, B, C, D.
A, B and
C, D.
C, D. Very good. And what about the center? O. Yes. Joseph Ivan, can you say the diameter from the given picture? Joseph Ivan, unmute. Yes.
CD.
CD. Yes. Very good. So we have diameter is a CD, chord AB, CD, and Lionel, read the diameter, radii. Read the radii. OD, OC, OM. Yes? Okay, very good.
COM.
Okay, see, so children, I have shown you one circle, then you were able to identify what diameter, chord, center, radii. Yes? Yes? Okay. Now, take out, you have workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Take out your workbook, question, page number 3, question number 16. Question number 16. Look at that question. We are going to do now. Question number 16A. Okay. Question number 16. Children, now you are not going to write. Question number 16A, we will discuss on the board. All the children, please open the workbook page and look at the board. Don't write anything now. Okay? We will discuss after the class. You will do alone. Understood? Children, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Advait. Can you see
Yes,
the board?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Advait, can you name the diameter from the given picture? Diameter.
AB.
AB. Very good. Diameter is, you can see diameter passing through the center. Very good. Excellent. Don't write anything now. All the children, please pay attention on the board. Now we will discuss all the answers on the board after some time. After the lesson, you will do everything alone. Okay. Now, Lionel, tell me the sender. Huh? Sender. Oh, very good. Sender. Oh, children, please pay attention that all the letters should be capital letters. Okay. We are using capital letters to name the radius, name the sender, everything. Okay. So, Ashwin, can you say the radii? Radii. Ashwin? It's not audible. Wazim?
Yes,
Yes, Wazim, can you identify the radii from the given picture? Huh? Say the answer. Yes. Radii. Okay, Wazim. O, starting from O. It's correct. Very good. Now tell me the line O, A. O, A. Very good. Only O, A?
OB.
O, B. Very good. Now don't say. Okay. Now I will call another one. Farhan. Okay, Niranjana, can you identify more radii from the picture? Yes, Niranjana. Yes. O, A. Very good. That is over. O, B is over. Now, find out any radii. Can you find out any more? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me. E. Where is E is here, not joining the sender. Find out where is the line segment joining the sender O.
Ma'am, OS.
Oh yes, very good. Oh yes, who said that? Who said that? Very good, children. OR. Okay, children, I will call one by one. I will call one by one. If everyone say together, nobody will understand who is saying. Okay, so we have OA, OB, OS, and OR. How many radius you have? How many radii?
Oh.
4. Okay. So diameter is the line passing through the sender, and which is the sender? O. And radii, we have OA is the line passing starting from the sender to the edge. OR is another one. OS is, now we have OB. Now diameter, center, radii, we have to find out one more thing. What's that? Who can say? Yes, Megha, we have discussed, we have identified diameter, sender,
Code.
code. Very good.
Code.
Okay, Megha, can you identify the code from the given circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, DE.
DE, very good. DE.
DE and
Correct.
ma'am, I can say
1 minute. Megha is trying. Yes, Megha?
DE and one was the ma'am and not getting.
Who can say that one?
Ma'am, Niranjana.
Niranjana, yes. Yeah?
S O.
OS is a radius. That is here. OS. That is radius. AB. Yes, AB. You know the diameter is the longest chord. Yes, AB. Diameter is the longest chord. See, what is a chord? It is a line segment passing. No, it is joining two edges. Look at the picture AB. That is also a line segment touching the two edges. Yes. So AB is a chord. Understood? AB is a chord that is passing through the center. It is the longest chord. So how many chord you can identify here? Megha, how many chords? Two chords. Yes, very good. So chord DE and AB. Understood? So we have diameter is AB, is the longest chord in passing through the center. O is the center of the circle. Radii OR OS is passing through, starting from center to the edge. OR OS OB A. And chord is the, chord should touch two endpoints on the circle. 1 point here, another point here. 1 point here, another point here. Okay, children, is that clear? How many parts we have discussed? We have identified chord, diameter, center, radii. Is there any doubt? No. Question number 16B. Now, do alone in a rough book. Now, start now. 1 minute. You can, children, fast. What you are going to do now?
Rough book or workbook?
Rough book. In the workbook, we can write neatly after the class. You can take any piece of paper or rough book. Then, which question you are going to do now? 16B. 16B. Alone. Okay, children. Do first. Write in the rough book. Write in the rough book. 1 minute, okay? Then we will discuss the answer on the board. What do you have to find out first? You can find out chord. Okay, we will write here chord. So we have more than one, so we will write chords. You can write. Devananda, can you say the chords from the given picture? Can you say the chords?
I'm finished.
Okay, all of those who have finished, keep it with you. I will ask one by one. Okay. Now Devananda is going to tell me the chords. What's that? Chords? ED. Very good. E, D. That's the diameter also. One more chord. AB. Very good. Excellent. So that is, we have, you know what's a chord? It's a line segment joining the 2 points. So this is a point and another one more line, 2 endpoints, which is the line ED. Very good. Okay. Now that's a chord. Now I want Rishikesh to tell me the diameter. Diameter, yes. Yes, diameter. ED. Very good. Very good. ED. Because it passes through the center O. Yes. Excellent, Rishikesh. Excellent. So it is passing through the center O. Muhammad Akil. Muhammad.
Megha.
1 minute. Okay. Akshit Krishna. Can you say the sender? Sender. Sender? Oh, yes? Oh, sender is the middle point. This is equidistant. Sender O is the middle point and it is thus at the same distance from any point on the circle. Okay. Now, Daksh, can you say the radii?
EO.
E-O. You can start always from the center. O-D. So this line is over. Daksh, only Daksh is answering me now. Only Daksh. All others be quiet. O-D. Yes. Then O-A. Is there any line joining O and A? Is there any line joining? No. O-E. Very good. O-E. Very good. Excellent. Now, O-D is over. O-E is over. Is there any one more? Can you see that? One more line? O-C. Very good. O-C. So, what's the radii? It is the line segment joining the sender. So, here sender O-C, that is a line. O-D, that is another line segment. O-E, that is another. So, how many you can see here? We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, children? So, we have discussed and we know now how to identify the parts of the circle. Okay, children? What are the parts we have? You know how to identify. What are the parts, Devananda? How many parts we have identified today? Can you unmute and say yes? We know how to identify the sender. Then? No. I don't want the name. What are the parts we have discussed today? Sender, radii, chord, diameter. Diameter. Okay. Advait, what are the parts we have discussed today? What are the parts we had identified today? Sender, radii, chord, then diameter. Yes? So we have discussed question number 16A and B. 16A and B. Now, after this class, you have to write neatly. How you will do? 16A on the left side. Then you will write first one, chord equal to, diameter equal to, radii equal to, sender equal to. Write and find out alone. Then what you will do? You will draw a line. And the right side, you will write 16B. Okay? 16B. Okay, children, any doubt?
No.
Chords. What is a chord, Niranjana? What is a chord? Chord is a line segment joining two endpoints. Yes? Chord is a line segment joining two endpoints. So from the given picture, you have to identify the chords. And which is the longest chord, Jibichan? Longest chord?
Diameter.
Diameter. Okay. So diameter. Yes?
I'm Niranjana.
Niranjana? Yes?
Diameter. Diameter.
Diameter. Okay, very good. Diameter is the longest chord. Then you know what's the center. Then radii. Okay? You have to write, who is calling?
Megha.
Megha. Yes, Megha?
Ma'am, I need to ask that we have to do these homeworks. So when we are doing, not to get confusion, and between 16 question number A and question number B, in middle should be draw a line.
Yes.
So that we don't get confused.
Yes, that's what I told. A and B, in middle you can draw a line. So you will not be getting confused which is the question. So you will write 16A, write the answers, then draw a line in the middle, then write B on the right side. Yes? Okay. Who is that? Tell me your name. Who is that? Ahian?
Mommy, Megha.
Any doubt, Ahian?
No, ma'am.
Ahian is a new boy, no?
No, ma'am.
You are new student, yes?
Ma'am, Ahian wasn't last class.
Ahian was not
class.
new, but his face was looking. And yes, Ahian, I think you are not saying anything. That's why I call your name. Advaita is new student. Yes, Advaita.
Yes.
Yes, okay, okay. So children, 16A and B you will do, and I will send the notes in the WhatsApp, and you can check yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
If any mistake, you can erase and write neatly. Okay? Till 16, you have to complete all the works, and who don't have the workbook, you can write in the rough book, and as soon as you get the book, you have to complete everything. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now it's the time to wind up the session. What we have discussed, to identify the parts of a circle from the given picture. Yes, who is calling?
Megha.
Yes, Megha. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
in the beginning of the class, you told us I'll check the homework later.
This is the homework, 16A and B.
Not, ma'am, not the 16A and B, the 15.
15 was homework last class. Megha, I
Yeah,
told you to
you
draw
told,
the circle with radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter.
3 centimeter and 5 centimeter.
If you have not completed, you can complete that. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Till
completed.
you completed. So
Yes.
there's no problem. We have, I told you to complete question number 13 and 14. And I have sent the notes.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed everything. Very good. So children, this is the time to wind up the session. Complete question number 16, A and B neatly. I will send the notes, and if you have any mistakes, you can erase and write it. Understand the answer, understand your mistake, and write it again. Okay, children? Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.